There's the gun. I'll be back. I'll destination. Yeah, we start on resistance 15, or maybe try to really 5 in the middle. 100 watts would make sense. But every column is right, so it especially with can't do pretty strength. For laser now. Real time, only 20 off the way out. That's it. A little bit here. See what we do.
500 bucks regardless. So if you hop on the 1 minute, this is what I was seeing here. Had a nice little rejection block right here. Very baby small 1 fair value gap, 1 minute fair value gap. We did tap into a nice rejection block down here. I really should have entered in on the CE down here, but I'm not going to enter when it's market open, especially on a Sunday. Like, this can just continue downwards more. I could have seen it probably going here, maybe 190s, 180s. This whole area could have definitely just gotten filled. So I didn't want to take it from there, because if it was already knifing that far, there's no reason for me to really just try to chase that, you know. But if we do get some candle closure above here, these highs at 320, I might even set my limit order a little bit higher and just trail this. I mean, at this point, I really should just move my, I'm going to move mine up. We're going to move it to 98. Let's do a nice 18-point win across all the accounts, regardless. Making a really nice push here. All in the new fundeds, fresh fundeds. So this is really good. I would really like to see it hit this 33. I mean, this is really a no drawdown trade, so what a perfect entry. I mean, let's draw this out just for the IG so people can see what my risk management was in this. So my stop was about here originally. I did trail it up in the mix before I did start this. Let's just drag this across because we don't know how long this is going to take. But yeah, I think if we make a push up this high, I don't see why we don't close this gap. Like, we're already here. The liquidity's built up. Like, it's, you know, we're getting candle closure above here. This is kind of showing bullish structure. So I'm not really too worried about that small sell-off right there. It really doesn't mean much, especially when we just made this pretty decently sized move higher. So I wouldn't be surprised if that little candle gets completely mitigated and gets pushed higher. I would not be very surprised. Part of me wants to just trail this like a couple more points. We have a CISD retest here at 305.75, so maybe getting a 5-point wiggle room. Right now we're giving it about 11 from the current price. I would really like to see this push right here. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Feel me, baby. I'm gonna trail this up a little higher. I don't wanna lose profits. We're gonna trail to the 15. Really nice candle, by the way. I kind of want to have a soft take profit here. So what I mean by that is once this does hit 33, I will trail this very tightly, just to give it that breathing room that if it does kind of want to hit a nice pump, we do catch a little bit of profits right there. I mean, this is a really, really nice trade right here. Right now we're at 15 for our profit. I kind of want to move this to 20 once we push this candle high really quickly. See it. So let's get that pop higher. We're already here. There's no, yeah, there it is. Okay, so there's the huge gap getting filled. Let's move our profits up to the 25, just slightly under this 1 minute low. I mean, worst case scenario, we're coming out of here with almost $1,000 across all the accounts. So really good trade today. Just gonna trail from here. I mean, there's a lot of rejection blocks higher, but we are at all-time highs. So I mean, I don't see people really trying to short this, especially of this huge expansion upwards since the 230s. I mean, we're already up 100 points from that point. I mean, I could trail this lower, right? But at this point, my take profit was at 33. So for me personally, if I wanted to let this run a little bit, I'm just going to trail tight. There's no reason to really let this go further than a $900 profit. I mean, come on, man. That's $5K in the day. There's nothing to be upset about. I mean, a really nice move would be, I mean, all-time highs would be insane, right? But let's just see where we can go from here. I mean, wow, look at this, man. I'm really just going to hold this for a minute here. Unless we push like these rejection blocks here, the CE of a 44, maybe like this 40s area. I'll try to move this up to the 31s here. Get secure a little bit more profit. I'll move it up to 30 once we hit 40. Boom, there's 40. I'm going to move it up to 30. I would love to see an expansion here to all-time highs. That would be so amazing. And this is why I run soft profits, because right now we're already 10 points higher than my original profit goal right here. Does this mean that can get zapped right down? Sure. But understanding that there's management behind this, right? If I wasn't trailing this stop and I just didn't have a stop profit, that would be a little bit different. But now that we did fill this gap, I'm just going to put it right there, and boom, $935 across all of the accounts, $900 profit for day one on my Lucid Flex accounts. I mean, you've seen it live right there. I'll show you the little P&Ls right down here. Boom, LFF, Lucid funded, 33, 32, 34, 36, 35, boom. Basically a $5,000 day in approximately, let's see how long that trade was. We entered in at 5:55. It is 6:11. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, about 16 minutes. So we made $5,000 in about 16 minutes. I mean, who fucking does it like us, man? What a fucking trade. Way to start the fucking week, man. Don't even have to trade tomorrow. Could really just let this run. Could literally take off tomorrow and not be worried about what happens from here. Only A+ setups tomorrow. I would not personally take anything unless it is literally A++. It doesn't make sense for me already being up 1,000. Let's just secure the win. Try to get these accounts to 54K. Let's get a fucking 10K payout on Friday. Let's fucking do it, man. Sorry. A little hyper, but obviously a huge one like that. Who can't be excited, right? Amazing banger trade. Let me see if I can pull this up my trade of it here so you guys can see my entry point. So boom. Here's the entry point. We entered right here at this candle closure, just confirming that price did want to come higher. We had drawdown. It was 3 points. So it was about $60. So our max loss we had right there is about $60. And then we trailed from there, man. I mean, wow, what a day, man. I only missed out on probably about 11 points higher. So I missed out about $200 I could have had extra. This could have been 1,100 each account, but hey, man, this could have expanded all the way higher to the 80s, 90s, pushing all-time highs. Like, I'm okay risking that 200 when I'm already in this profit of a trade to see if this does want to push that high. Because, I mean, worst case scenario, $935 profit across 5 accounts, basically about $1,000 an account, 5K day. Best case scenario, this pushes up to 400. We make another 80 points, another $1,600 across all the accounts. and then we're at $2,700 a day per 5 accounts. That is a better fucking out. That is a 10K day. So I'm okay with risking that 200 increment, that 10-point trail profit. Every time we make another 10 points, try to move it up 5. Make 10, move it up 5. To make 10, move it up 5. Try to keep that risk management up there, so we can always secure your profits, man. I mean, like, when you're making money in the market, the only way you make money is by pulling that out of the market. If you're not constantly pulling out of this market, you're going to lose your profits. Like, how can you make anything if you don't ever exit a trade? Right? So people let these run all the way back to break even. I wouldn't be surprised if we have a re-entry right here. But me personally, now that this gap is filled, for me personally, that's just all I wanted to see. I don't see anything else until we see a nice rejection block or a nice OTE entry or maybe a liquidity sweep higher or lower, right? I want to see a pullback before we do long again, but wow, what a fucking trade, man. So I'm going to end it here. Thank you guys for fucking watching. It was a sick fucking day. And we'll see you Monday or Tuesday.